If there was like the MartiniWorks official wheel, it would be the Work ZR10. We unboxed a set of these and threw them on Alex's Nissan Z, and since then have just gone buck wild with selling Work ZR10s, which is awesome because we love seeing it. We think it's a really good wheel. And today we have a set of ZR10s that we're gonna be taking a look at, but they are a little bit different. And by that, I mean in the form of a multi-piece version of the Work ZR10. Welcome to MartiniWorks Unbox, where we go ahead and take a look at pretty much all of the products that we offer over at the MartiniWorks website, whether that be wheels, suspension, tires, performance parts, whatever it might be, and take a look at them, give them an unbox. That way, you know exactly what to be expecting if you go ahead and pick up some new parts for your car. So there's no surprises, anything like that. You can go to that next purchase for your car confident, especially with prices on things going the way that they are. You want to make sure that you're happy with what you get, and especially when you're spending this much on a set of wheels. So I'm really excited to take a look at these. Ooh, a bit different of a finish on these ones. So these are a customer's wheels that we are going to be taking a look at today. Ooh, we do have some center caps in here too. I'm going to get these out because they are arguably some of the best part of Japanese wheels. We got our decals and new ones. Don't lose these. They're expensive. Why? I don't know. Don't lose them.
Okay.
We'll set those over there. The center caps out. There you go. I think there's valve stems in there too. We're gonna go ahead and set our packaging off to the side. I got this nice little bar now. Welcome to Al's Wheel Bar. What can I get you? All right, Work ZR10 two-piece, 18 by 8.5 plus 40 in quite a different finish from what we've seen. Typically we see that diamond cut gloss black face. This is the gold finish with the hairline brushed lip on here. And this looks absolutely insane. The metal flake on this gold looks wild. Now, pairing that with the red decals here, a bit interesting. But honestly, these decals add so much to the overall look of the wheel. It's just something really cool that Japanese wheels do. So, 10-spoke wheel, two-piece version, 18 by 8.5 plus 40 R disc. Now, when it comes to multi-piece wheels from Work, you're gonna see something called disc type. And these are what are known as an R disc. That's gonna allow for some bigger brake clearance. These are going on a 2021 Volkswagen GTI, and they're gonna be going over a bit of the larger brakes in the front there. So the R disc is gonna give you a little bit more brake clearance with those calipers and things like that. Now your A disc is typically what you're gonna see these wheels come in, and there's literally just like almost the entire alphabet worth of different disc types that Work offers. So your A disc is gonna be standard. You have like W, L, O, T, R, all the different types, depending on the amount of backspacing that you need from the face and caliper clearance. Some are gonna be a lot more flat. You're not gonna have as much of a back pad on here. It's gonna give you a little bit more depth to the wheel, but again, that comes at the cost of some big brake clearance. So R disc is gonna give you arguably, I believe, some of the most brake clearance out of the disc types, and that's what we have here, especially when you're talking about an 18 by 8.5 plus 40 that these cars are running. That's typically something that you're gonna see on here. So that is why the face of the wheel does stick out a little bit as well with the overall sizing of this, but just something important to know, especially if you're looking at a set of multi-piece Work wheels. Now, like I mentioned, this is the two-piece configuration. This is a two-piece welded wheel. So we have the face of the wheel welded to the actual barrel of the wheel. You can get pretty much a majority, I would say, of the Work Emotion line of wheels in either a two-piece or three-piece configuration. Two-piece is what this customer chose to go with for these, and I think looks really, really good. Now, why would you go with something like this over just the monoblock version? Well, one of the reasons is because you get just a little bit more customization. If that comes with, you know, the overall width that you need, or the offset that you need, or any of those weird factors that might come into play, that's typically where we see multi-piece wheels become a lot more common. Now, other times, people just like to kind of flex and say that they have multi-piece wheels, where they're like, yes, I do have the two-piece versions or the three-piece versions of it. But majority of the time when we see people go and pick up multi-piece wheels, it's because they're doing something that requires a very specific offset or width, especially when it comes to things like wide-body vehicles or vehicles with over fenders that need like a really low offset and really wide width, that a lot of the single-piece versions of these wheels just aren't available in. Now, 18 by 8.5 plus 40, not a really out there type of size. So odds are this person just really wanted to go out and say that they have the two-piece versions of the ZR10s, which I really can't argue with. Now, last little bit that we have to unbox here is, of course, the center caps for these wheels. Unfortunately, most of the wheels from Japan do not come with center caps included, and they are an additional charge, and for some reason are almost as much as the wheels at some point, it feels like. So center caps are always a cool thing that we see people pick up, and it does add just the nice finishing touch. So we do have the red decals, like I said, that are going to be going on the car, and of course we have some red flat caps that we can pop in here just to get the final look of what these wheels will look like. Get this out of the bag. There you are. And there you have your final look of your wheel, essentially without the decals. I'm not putting these on, customer can put these on. I'll give him the satisfaction of doing so. But these look really, really good. Again, I think the ZR10 is really a wheel that you're gonna start seeing a lot more of. It is a relatively newer design in the Work lineup, came out a few years ago, and since then it has become really, really popular, and we've seen a lot of people pick them up from MartiniWorks, which was awesome to see. Again, a lot of Zs, a lot of Japanese cars. It's really cool to see these ones going on a Euro car, GTI, something a little bit different. I think it'll look really good, but that just real symmetrical 10-spoke design can look good on a wide variety of vehicles. So really cool to see. Now, price-wise, you are going to be paying quite a bit more, obviously, for the multi-piece stuff. This set alone coming in right around $3,680 is what the customer paid for them. Of course, that was with the center caps and everything. But if you compare that to the monoblock single-piece version of these, you're looking at least in this size, only $2,300. So you're tacking on a good chunk of change on top of that. And of course, these will have to be custom made as well. A lot of these multi-piece stuff not readily available. Some are, but a lot of them you're gonna be adding quite a bit of lead time onto that, especially if you're going with some crazy specs or maybe a different finish or something like that. But just so you know that, of course, with the multi-piece stuff and the more custom stuff, especially from Japan, you're gonna be paying a bit more, which is why we see a lot of people stick with the monoblock stuff. It still comes in a good amount of sizes, still comes in some really, really nice finishes, and they are, again, more readily available and coming in at a bit of a cheaper price point. But again, there's nothing wrong with going the extra mile a little bit, especially when it comes to maybe your dream set of wheels, which I think these do a really good job at. So if you want to check out what a set of these would look like for your vehicle, if you want to check out any more of the Work Emotion line of wheels, we have plenty of those available over at MartiniWorks.com, from the multi-piece stuff that we can get you and quote you to the single-piece stuff that we might have actually ready to go and can get to you really quick, and maybe pair with some tires for you so you can throw them on your car ready to go, and you're going to be all set. So if you want to check all of that out, check it out over MartiniWorks.com. Of course, if you need some help finding out the right fitment specs for you, we can help with that as well. Team would be more than happy to help find the next set of wheels for your cars. You can do all that and more, MartiniWorks.com. We're going to go ahead and get these boxed up and out to our customer. Thank you so much for picking these up. If you're watching this, we'll see you later.